Hey everyone, it's Lizzie from Lizzie's World of Gems. Welcome back to my channel. I had a request from a new subscriber to do a tutorial on how to fill up my glue dots. So this is going to be a video for that purpose only. And I have a little trick that I learned off of TikTok that I'm going to show to you guys as well. I don't have the original box of the glue dots, but on the thumbnail of this video has the picture, and I'll try to put the picture in right here of what the packaging looks like. They are made in the USA. You can get them at Hobby Lobby for a very good price. You can get them off of Amazon. Canadian Amazon, they're a little bit more pricey, but they're still affordable. And you can get them in Michael's in Canada and the US as well. I like micro glue dots, so you have to be very careful when you're buying them that you want to get the micro glue dots for your single placer. So the micro glue dots are very, very small dots. I don't know if you can see them on there or not, but they're very small. Now, a friend of mine a long time ago gave me some, and these are not the right size. They're way bigger. You can use them, but they're a little bit more difficult to use, but this is what I use these for. So these are the bigger dots. They kind of almost look like a little circle. I hope you can see them on there. But these ones, you know how some people put washi tape around their multi-placers and their single placers to hold them into their pens because sometimes they are loose. See how loose this is right now because it doesn't fit properly in the hole. I learned this off of TikTok and I thought, genius, because I used to put the washi tape around, but I hated how the washi tape, you could always see it up here hanging out of your pen. With the glue dots, I use the bigger ones that I mistakenly got. And I just put, this is a Diamond Art Club, and they're hollow, so they're a little bit more difficult to do this with. The first one is the hardest one to pick up. Oh, but this one picked it up really fairly easy. So I go 1, 2, 3. Once you got one on there, they'll stick on really, really good. And then you just take your pen with the glue dots on the end and you just put it in and it stays in. It doesn't wiggle. It doesn't come out. I love it. It doesn't hang off the edges or anything like that. You can do it with your single placer as well. I have some in there right now and look, I can't even get mine off. You can, like, if I really, really try, but just by the movement of using the pen, it won't come off. So this one has glue dots in it. My single placer right here has glue dots, if you can see. Now, I can go almost a whole painting, pretty much probably a whole painting without changing my glue dots. I don't change my glue dots very often. I don't like time it how long it takes. I barely ever change it. As you can see, this roll is still very, very full of the mini glue dots. And this putty here that you can buy from Diamond Dots has a little picker on the end. Oh, sorry. I've had this for like ever. It lasts forever and it's fairly cheap on Amazon. Or you can go to gluedots.com. These are good for picking. You can also use your tweezers, but I find that doing it with the tweezers, you end up bending your ends. But we have so many tweezers, it doesn't really matter. But if you don't have very many tweezers, getting a kit like this with one of these in it is good. And I got putty on it. I should have used the purple one. It might have been better. But you just, if you're using it and you lose a stick, you can pull it out just like so, and then you flip it to a clean side. So you flip it around and then you just stick it back. Of course, I'm not doing it very good. Stick it back in the hole, and then you can use it again like you have a new glue dot. Sometimes you might want to like rub it against your clothes if it's too sticky. Now, I know a lot of people say, oh, I tried glue dots, I don't like it because it pulls right out. They are finicky. You got to kind of play with them and learn with them. And when you do, you're going to love them. So I'll pick up one, I'll put it down, and then you get the satisfaction of that click. That's how you can reuse the same glue dot. So you can reuse the same glue dot at least twice. If you find it's not popping or sticking anymore, you can always flip it around and do that. So I'm going to remove that one because we're going to fill it up with some new glue dots. So this is empty. Another hint is try to use a brand new tip. Even if you use the plastic original tips that come with the pens, you know, the plastic insert tips, these work as well. Just make sure you have a clean new one that didn't have wax in it, because the wax kind of works as like a non-sticking agent. It makes it slippery. So if you're using glue dots and you reused one, that could be the reason why too, because it doesn't want to stick in there because of the wax makes it slippery and the glue dot doesn't want to go in. So you get your roll of glue dots like this, and sometimes it takes at least 4 to 5 glue dots. This placer, I've been putting 5 and I just lost count. I think I just lost count. I think that's 5. And then you have it on the end of your tip here. And then you just go to your end and you just start. Easier said than done, Liz. I might have put too many. I lost count. Can't do this while I talk, obviously. And you just jab it in the hole. And it's in there. Sometimes if you rub it against your clothes, lately I haven't been having to do that. These are brand new tips, so that could be why as well. They've never seen anything but a glue dot. So there you have it. I have it in there. You don't really have to press it down. You might want to rub it up against your clothes to get it a little bit dirty so it's not super, super sticky. I got my color right here. And I'm going to place one down. And there you have it. Just like that. Simple, easy peasy. Very easily to do. I love glue dots. They were a game changer for me. They are all I use. I don't use anything else in my single placer. I do use putty in my multi-placer, and I use the glue dot to hold in my multi-placer. See, nothing's happening here. It's nice and sturdy in there, and I have my putty. I'm actually using my glue dot putty. This is very affordable. $9.99 for this big huge tin. I've had this tin for maybe 2 years, I swear. Because, you know, I do change up, and you know, I do buy from little Etsy stores too, and that's what I have my Ditsy's Diamond Den putty holder to hold them. But these tins, I love them. I have a purple one over here. I love it. I put all my Capture by Radiance charm ones on here. I love it. The purple one comes with a purple picker. I have other wax in here as well. Oh, something just fell off my desk. I don't know what it was. But that is what I use sometimes as well. I find in the hot climate, this one works a lot better, the blue one. So that is why I have the blue one in there right now. But like I said, there it is. My dot there. And it just works really, really well. Let's try to do it again. See? And then you got the snap. Sometimes it isn't snapping, but that's okay. Sometimes it does snap a lot. It depends on your glue. This glue on this one hasn't been very good, so if it was on a different kit, it would probably snap a lot more than it's snapping on this one. But there you have it. That's how you use... Oh, I lost my charm. That's how you use a glue dot. Now, don't be discouraged if it starts to come out and it's super sticky. Just keep on trying it and playing around with it. And I guarantee you, once you get the hang of a glue dot, you're never going to go back to the wax ever again. And it saves you so much time of reloading your pen with wax. Even with putty, I find I have to reload it more. A glue dot, I can do a whole 60 by 80 canvas without even changing the glue dot, which is amazing. It's amazing, and I think is a game changer. And I hope this helps you guys load up your glue dots in your tips. Just remember, tips. Use a new fresh tip that's never used wax or putty in it. That is the real best advice I can give you, because they will be finicky, they will pull out, and they will drive you nuts if you use a tip that has had wax in it or putty. So try to use a fresh tip and try it out and tell me what you think. Tell me if it works for you down in the comments below or in another video. With that said, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial of how to use glue dots and the glue dots on the end of your placers instead of washi tape. Game changer, I'm telling you. My pens look so much nicer without the washi tape hanging out because I'm using washi tape to hold down my tips. I learned that off of TikTok. I don't remember who it was on TikTok that I saw that video. And I'm like, genius. And I'm telling you, it works really, really good. With that said, I hope you guys enjoy this video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Because we're going to talk about this canvas. I didn't say anything about this canvas. This is from Blast in the Past. Because I'm telling you, it is very blastly. Like, I want to blow it up. With that said, I will talk to you guys in the next video. Take care, everyone. Bye. Hey guys, it's me again. If you like what you've seen, please like and subscribe to this video and hit that notification bell and it'll remind you whenever I load up a video. I'd be super tickled pink. Till next time, guys, take care. Bye.